on there, Jared.
You're not putting finger on there.
I can't see him.
I don't know why she's wetting it.
Screw him down. Got a chance of getting that through there, so.
Can you take that side off?
I'll tell you what, take it out. Jaden. So all it does is never lose his parrot egg.
It's one of them bloody head ones, though.
That's, she's broke a thing. It's gonna fly away.
Gonna put her in carton.
Whoa! What are you gonna do? Are you gonna get her a car? Can you not put that around or not?
We might strangle her.
Jaden, no. No, you're not going in the road, no. No.
This one.
No. No. Flip it on this one. No, Jaden. Yeah, I know. How am I going to chase him? No, you can't wait road. No, no, no. No, no, no. Nisha, don't play ball here. You're near the road. No. Sit down. Can't play here.
Did they tie it up? I know that one,
How much did it attack? After attacking him, aren't you, Lisa?
just for that, so it can fly away.
She's trying to pat that. Yeah.
What she gets hold of you?
That's what a bit of blooming head.
Little sun. It's on the net now.
Put that bit on.
So it's on the net.
Tell her it's
Put what?
that end off it.
Put this up.
Go on, ask inside it.
Now get the lights off.
Can't you just turn it like that?
You won't go through the ring. Turn them.
Lighter.
Yeah, turn them back.
What, to me in the ring on the foot?
There I was then.
Drop me that ball on the road.
Watch out, Keisha, move away a minute, it's burning.
You should move out of the way.
Who should move out of the way? You get hurt.
Keisha, no, not on the floor.
What is it?
Keisha! Keisha! Come here now. Throw that ball at girl, smack it up. Want to get run over? Want to get run over?
Trying to get it round so I can watch the reef. Burn in the end.
Further down, further down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Further down now. Right.
You're used to it biting your hand. Awesome.
If she wanted to, she'd break my fingers off.
Why? She wants to break the fingers off because she wants to
She wants to fly away.
She can't. Why can't?
Pull it.
Why don't she want to fly away?
That's it.
Because they're used to.
Yeah. You hold this end though? No. You alright?
Hello, birdie.
Yeah, you try and thread that through.
Where was it going through?
Yeah.
Through where that?
Yeah.
That ring?
Yeah.
There you go.
That's it. Put a knot on it. Make it smaller. That's it. That'll do.
Yeah?
Again.
Again?
Yeah, put more in the middle. She's a naughty girl. She's a naughty girl.
Now she can't fly up.
I know.
And why don't she like every? Why don't she like anybody? Why don't she know nobody? It's not good, isn't it? Why does it like it? I don't like parrots. It's not.
Sorted it out.
Yeah.
You can relax a bit now, can't you, Leo?
At
least you nearly flew away, didn't you?
No, you can't have one. No, you can't have one. No. No,
That's not outside, you know.
It's got a double knotted.
Marges, no. Give me Marges now.
I was a Cub Scout.
No.
Chewed through it.
Try it again now, look at it.
Don't let her near it this time, so otherwise she'll go through it again.
Tried that all day.
Dad, you know it's got a strong beak. It's chewed through his cage before. She'll start chewing that now.
It will.
Is it chewing the thing again,
Yeah.
the string?
Why don't you get one of them harness ones, you know, what, like the dogs have, what you put around the body?
That's what he said
And a
once.
lead. No, a proper harness though, thicker one than that, but it can't chew through.
The only ones that change ones, you like the chain ones.
I've got a black material one, a thick one, you know, thick strap.
I'll have to look at it.
Use my one, use Jaden's harness, so put that on her.
Hello. Are you having a
That'll
good
be
day?
strong enough.
You been playing with Daddy?
It's the same as that. No, I think it's chocolate.